The meticulous cultivation process in the fields turns ginseng into countless health-boosting products. How does ginseng evolve from its raw form into versatile supplements, powders, and teas that enhance our well-being? Ginseng is a well-known medicinal herb praised for its potential health benefits, such as increasing energy levels, enhancing cognitive function, supporting immune health, reducing inflammation, regulating blood sugar levels, and improving mood while alleviating stress. Large-scale ginseng production begins with selecting shaded areas that have well-drained, loamy soil rich in organic matter. The land is cleared and plowed to aerate the soil, then enriched with compost. Soil tests determine the pH and nutrient levels, and adjustments are made with lime or sulfur as needed. Raised beds are built to improve drainage, and shade structures, either traditional wooden laths or modern retractable systems, provide about 75% shade. Ginseng seeds, which require stratification, cold treatment before planting, are planted manually or with seed drills, then mulched with straw or leaf litter to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Consistent moisture is crucial, so drip irrigation is used to avoid waterlogging. Fertilization is based on soil test results. Weed management includes manual weeding, mulching, or herbicides, and pest control involves monitoring and necessary treatments. Harvesting takes place in the fall after 4 to 6 years. During the ginseng harvesting season, bright red ginseng berries are often seen in clusters. These berries are primarily harvested for their seeds, which are crucial for propagating new ginseng plants. The berries are carefully collected and processed to extract the seeds, which undergo stratification, cold treatment to break dormancy, before planting. This process ensures the sustainability and expansion of ginseng cultivation. In addition to their role in propagation, ginseng berries are valued for their nutritional and medicinal properties, containing bioactive compounds like ginsenosides, polysaccharides, and antioxidants, which are beneficial for health. During the manual harvest of ginseng, numerous farmers participate in the labor-intensive task of extracting the roots from the soil. This process begins in the fall, after the ginseng plants have matured over several years. Farmers use special tools, such as digging forks or small spades, to carefully loosen the soil around the delicate roots, minimizing damage. They methodically lift each ginseng root from the ground, ensuring the entire root system remains intact. Once extracted, the roots are gently cleaned of excess soil and inspected for quality. The harvested ginseng roots are placed in large baskets or tanks that are sturdy and ventilated to prevent damage or spoilage during transport. These containers are manually loaded onto trucks or tractors by the farmers, requiring significant physical effort and coordination. The filled baskets and tanks are then transported to the processing facility, where the roots will undergo further cleaning, sorting, drying, and packaging. This manual harvesting process highlights the dedication and hard work of the farmers, who play a crucial role in ensuring high-quality ginseng reaches the market. When the ginseng arrives at the processing facility, the roots are immediately offloaded and undergo a thorough cleaning process to remove any remaining soil and impurities. This is typically done using industrial washers that gently but effectively clean the roots without causing damage. After cleaning, the ginseng is sorted by size and quality, with high-quality roots set aside for premium products. Sorting can involve both manual inspection and automated systems to ensure consistency. Once the ginseng has been sorted by size and quality at the processing facility, it undergoes a critical drying process to preserve its medicinal properties and prevent spoilage. The roots are placed in industrial-grade dryers, where they are exposed to controlled heat and airflow, ensuring uniform dehydration without compromising the active compounds. Alternatively, some operations may use traditional air drying methods where the roots are laid out in well-ventilated areas. After drying, the ginseng is ready for further processing into various products. High-quality roots might be packaged whole for premium markets, while others are ground into a fine powder or used to produce extracts. Grinding involves high-precision equipment that pulverizes the dried roots, maintaining the potency of their beneficial compounds. Extract production typically involves soaking the ginseng in solvents to isolate its active ingredients, followed by concentration and purification. The processing of ginseng results in various products, including whole dried roots, powder, extract, capsules, and tea, each offering unique health benefits. Ginseng powder, easily added to foods, improves energy, cognition, and reduces inflammation. Ginseng extracts, used in supplements, offer potent benefits like enhanced mental and physical performance. Ginseng tea, made from root slices or powder, supports overall well-being and stress management. These products are diverse and cater to different preferences, all promoting health and wellness through their bioactive compounds.